For today's cooking tutorial, I'm going to be surprising my friends with a custom-made meal, one of JV's specials. It might look a little weird, but I promise you it will taste good. And watch carefully, because if you miss something, it might taste weird. First, you grab your toaster, you plug it in. There's 3 of us, so I got 3 Eggo waffles. You put them in separately. Turn the setting up to where it feels right. And as this is cooking, we're gonna grab the other ingredients. Open up your pantry. In your pantry, you're gonna need 2 items. Item number 1 and item number 2. I'm out of plates, so instead I got 3 bowls. You have to blow in it to get rid of any dust particles. Then you set up your camera to show the bowls in the toaster. Watch the oven to make sure that it doesn't blow up. Once they're done, grab one, put it in a bowl. It should be crunchy like this. Then take your scissors. They look a little dirty, but it's okay. Cut your waffles. Move your toaster over here. Then you take your Takis. Just sprinkle a little bit in. Oh, why are they wet? Why are they wet? I don't know why they're wet, that's weird. I'm gonna ignore it. Lick the Taki dust off your fingers. Now you gotta crush up the Takis a little bit. It's easy if you just take scissors and cut them in half. Now take your syrup, pour it in. And I wanna drench it. Me and the boys just got done with the gym, so it's up to me to make us all a healthy, nutritious meal. Then you take your forks, 1 for each person. Bowl 1. Bowl 2, bowl 3. Then give yourself a round of applause because you have just finished the meal. Obviously, if we're gonna serve them, we need to put it in an appropriate place for them to eat. Get them some napkins. This should be your finished meal right here. That's pretty good. And of course, I can't just feed them food without trying it first. I'm a chef, so you know I gotta try my own work. Cheers. That's fire. It tastes like a chocolate Long John donut. Boys, pause your game. The food is done. I'm gonna need you guys to blindfold yourself. Just take your glasses off. You blindfold yourself. Let him take his pants off, dude.
Yeah, I can't see.
Follow me.
Wait, how am I gonna follow you if I can't fucking see?
Hey, follow my voice, Torn. Follow my voice, baby.
Jonah, you're gonna sit down at the first seat.
Wait,
How the fuck?
who is you?
Come. Feel this. I'm gonna make you feel the seat. Sit there. KJ, I'm gonna grab you.
Don't fucking grab me.
Yeah, I can't see.
Right there. Yep. That one. You guys can look at your meal in 3, 2, 1.
Damn! What the? Hold up.
I already tested it. It's good.
Okay. It's okay. You this shit up. From Jacob's cooking, I learned to like never judge a book by its cover, so we really gotta try this shit.
Who wants to go first?
You got it.
I think you got it. Like,
Let's rock it out.
Best for last because it's so good. You guys just best for last.
Sure. Rock, paper, scissors, don't pick. Okay. So that means best for last, like he said. Oh, best for last. So you gotta go first.
Oh shit.
That crunch don't sound appetizing. Is it good though? It's good?
Yeah.
Well, why you did that, twin?
I told you, bro. I told you.
Try this shit.
Oh, look, he going for more. No hesitating. What do you think?
What you think, bud?
Going for more. He almost finished with his bowl. Oh, you about to make some more?
That was the best shit I've ever fucking had.
Thank you. I'm glad you enjoy, man. What do you guys rate it 1 out of 10?
I've never been high before, but I feel like this is what I would feel like if I was ever high.
So a 10? Oh yeah.
Hey, I think he has that gunpoint, by the way.
Huh?
Huh?
What'd you say?
You kind of close.
What do you rate it? That's good. You moaning.
Maybe without the talkies. It's probably like our only creation to this shit.
No, say something good so they return to the channel. Thank you. Thank you.
If we get 100 likes, man.
If we get 100 likes, we'll never eat this shit again.
Exactly.
Don't do that. They're gonna dislike the video. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll make them another meal. Make it at home and tag me on Instagram.
Make us another meal?